Hey guys, Richard here, the eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, Mrs. Adventure and I are going to go for a little ride. Just waiting on her to finish up in the house there. We got about 40 minutes or something before sunset, so yeah, not going to go too far. But hey, at least we get out and enjoy this beautiful weather. It's about 72, 74 degrees or something. Real nice out. I'm riding the Mooncool TK1 Fat 20. Mrs. Adventure will be riding the Mooncool TK1. Oh, hold on, stop.
I know, I saw it.
Go ahead. You got your bug glasses on.
Hello. Hello, Mary. Level is high.
You'd like to get a what?
Cancel.
Not yet. Now I can. Where are we going?
I don't know. Where are we going?
Don't know. You just want to stay right here in the neighborhood and go around once or twice?
No question.
Hmm?
Did you say they have horses at the farm?
Down the Red Rooster, yeah.
I never been there.
Well, let's turn around. We'll go that way. I don't have mirrors, so if there's a car coming up behind us, you need to let me know, okay?
Hi. Why don't you have mirrors?
Because this is a new trike and I haven't put mirrors on it yet.
No, that's the new one. They're the one that is squirrely that you didn't think I would like.
Uh-huh. Go ahead and turn on your headlight.
How do I do that?
I think you just hold down the up button. I don't think you have a special switch on yours.
Is this the farm?
The horses are on the right. It's not really a farm, but it's the horse ranch place. There's a vehicle coming up behind us, so just stay right where you're at. They can go around us.
No, usually zipping around like Devin does.
Over to your left, that is the farm.
Oh.
Oh.
Where are you going? I'm pointing over to your left. That is the farm. They got lambs and donkeys and goats and chickens and geese and...
Holy crap.
I don't think so.
Oh no. This is a go. Up there.
I have gone out there. I didn't take a bike out there, but I have gone out there. Take a bike out there and see if we get yelled at.
Well, I don't walk very well, so this is now my wheelchair.
Ready? Here we go.
Here.
They have fish in here.
They have fish in here?
We've seen them. They've got alligators too. There's a car coming down there, so you might as well just wait. I'll wait for you.
This power went out.
If it's an e-bike, can't tell yet. Hello? Run out of battery?
Flat tire.
Oh, flat tire. Yeah, I don't remember if I ever put flat out in your tires. I need to do that.
What does that do? Keep it from going flat?
Supposed to.
I didn't either.
Well, here comes the fire truck. Bye.
Where you going?
I'm going to this cutesy little area to see what it's all about.
No warning. Wow.
It's a conservation area.
What are they conserving?
The palm tree.
Vegetables?
It's very cute. I don't know.
Well, then here you can sit if you want to.
I don't want to. Don't hit the bench with your rear tire.
Why would I do
You
that?
just about did, didn't you?
Further out than
Yours are the same.
Hello?
Hello? Come on. Yours are further out than what you think they are. They're not right there by your bum.
well, hello.
Oh,
I
hello?
measure by my arms.
Uh-huh.
Arms are sitting at about where the tires are.
Mm.
And so if my arms and my handlebar goes through.
This says no golf carts beyond this point. Doesn't say anything about bikes. Well, this is cute. I have no idea where it's going to go. This is Rover Run Dog Park.
Another cute little pavilion.
Mm-hmm. They have lots of them, don't they?
You
You
hear
hear
this
this
honking?
honking?
Just sometimes. I did hear it a little bit when you said that, but now I don't hear it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was
it was
going
going
clunky,
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 clunky
clunky
for a
for a
long
long
time.
time.
I'll have to look into it and see what it is. Could be something wrong with the axle.
Trying to copy what I was doing.
Maybe you had the brakes on a little bit or something.
No,
But
but
I
I
had
had
been
been
braking
braking
right
right
before,
before,
and
and
Yeah.
it was.
Don't run into this.
No, it wouldn't do that. And then it stops.
Yeah. Go ahead. It's the differential, probably. Mine makes a little noise. Not quite that much, but you can hear a little noise on mine.
I
I
haven't
haven't
heard
heard
anything until
Well, we can't exactly skid off the trail here. All right, thank you.
what?
There's somebody behind us. Keep going. Yeah.
Up here?
Yep, we're gonna get into the road. There you go. Good job. You stop right here. Listen to the dogs barking. You ready? Hello?
Wanna
You
go
want
on
to
the
go to the
road?
road?
Yeah, we need to go on the road now.
Yeah, those don't bother me. Fast and hitting bumps. It's pushing burps out of me.
You go first.
Yeah, because I have to park.
My butt hurts. My butt hurts.
Why?
Just does.
I have to turn around.
Oh, I can turn it around. And just leave it. I'll do it tomorrow.